I found this in the trash, and maybe that's where I should have left it. I've already spent and replaced some parts on it, and somehow I've made it worse. I'd walked away for over a year, and now it's time to get back and see if I can't finish the job. It has no spark. Now that summarizes where I was on this engine back when I quit on it. I was so frustrated when I broke that flywheel and I couldn't figure out why it wouldn't spark that I just quit. I put it all back together and I quit. And now I want to see what I can do. And I started working on this thing and I didn't even turn my camera on. There's reasons why. So this morning I came in here and I looked at this thing and I just started tinkering with it. And I finally figured out why it's not getting any spark. There were 3 reasons, and that's why it was so frustrating and complicated to me. I didn't know what to do, so the first thing I did was I removed all those electronic parts again, and I went to a running engine, an older engine, and I robbed the parts off of it. I took the flywheel off, I took the coil off, and this mower here was running just fine. I mowed with it a few times. I have a video where I got it going. And I took it back over and I put it on that other engine. I put the flywheel on, I put its coil on, and I tested the spark plug and I had all kind of spark. So with this flywheel on here, I tested the old coil that was on here, no spark. So I had a bad coil to begin with, and I did the right thing. I ordered one, but what I didn't realize is the one that I ordered was bad out of the box. I put it on, no spark. And in my frustration, when I had no spark both times, I pulled the old flywheel off and I cracked it, putting it back on. One other thing I did before I put this flywheel on is I tested the coil off of the other engine to see if the flywheel that I had on here was working, and with that crack in it, it wasn't working. So that told me I had 2 bad coils and a bad flywheel. So I put it all back together, and now I'm here. I have spark. I shot starting fluid in the carburetor, and sure enough, it took off. It popped a couple of times, so I know it's going to run. And now the next step is to see if it'll run under its own power with gas hooked up here. So I think what I'm going to do is just go ahead and put the thing back together, put gas in it, and see if it'll start. And if it starts and runs decent, we'll call it good. If it doesn't, I may have to get into this carburetor yet. I hope not. I looked up the age of this. It's a 93, so it's pretty old. It's got a few other problems over here too, but I'm not going to address them right now. But let's see if we can get this thing running on its own power. Well, I have it back together. The only thing I need to do is hook up that gas line down there and pour some gas in it. Well, we'll let this gas dry a little bit. I'll wipe some of it up. I should have put a funnel on there, and it's too big of a hurry, and I didn't. But get some of this oil wiped up with the gas anyway. That float hasn't had gas in it for a long time, so I may be taking that carburetor off. What do you think? Can we get it to pop? Don't know if I can pull it from down here or not, but I'll try. Oh, if it starts, don't want it to suck up anything, but let's get this off the bench, and I'm going to take it outside and just let it run. Yeah, I think part of that smoke's coming from the oil that flipped out of the crankcase when it took a couple of shots with that ether. Okay. I wonder if that thing works good. Let's take it over here and see if it mows. Outside of my 1985 Mercury 20 horse outboard motor, this mower has been about as frustrating a job as I've done in a long time. I can't believe it's running. If you have anything you want to share about that, I mean, tell me if you've ever changed parts out like that from one old engine to another. That's the way I used to do it as a kid. Let me know some of your experiences with projects that have went sideways for you. If you like content like this, subscribe to my channel. If you want to watch more videos like this, grab you one of these up here. Can it be fixed? Sure it can. Can you fix it? You're darn right you can fix it. Until the next one.